Good morning students. Today I am going to start new lesson. Lesson 3rd, Judgment of the Owl. Judgment of the Owl. Now in the textbook 1, conversation is there. I will read out. Once there was an argument between a mango tree and the soil about who was greater. Who was greater? Their argument was very hot. Argument between a mango tree and the soil about who was greater. Their argument was very hot. Hearing the noise, the cat, the monkey, the snake and the owl gathered there. Cat, monkey, snake and the owl gathered there. Everyone requested the owl to decide the dispute. Okay, the owl cleared its throat and asked both of them to present their argument. First, soil. Soil. Without me, where will be the mango? Without me, where will be the mango? Without me, it cannot take birth. I give the mango its food and water. So I am great. Mango. I give sweet fruits to everyone. I give space to the birds to build their nest. Moreover, I am also a living being. Oh mango, how do you say that you are a living being? Mango, look first of all. I give birth to the same kind of trees. Secondly, my seeds germinate into saplings and grow into plants, later into big trees like me. My seeds germinate into saplings and grow into plants, later into big trees like me. All right. The soil cannot do the things you do. But for your growth, you need water and food. Where do you get them from? Mango. I get them from the soil. Oh. See, you need the soil for your growth. Mango. But I get food from the leaves shed by me. Soil. But it comes through me only. Oh. See, we need both of you. Here no one is more or less important. Squirrel. Dear all, Mango said that it is a living being. What about the soil then? Oh, soil does not grow. It does not need food. So it is a non-living things. Monkey. Why did you say that both are equal and we need both of them? Why did you say both are equal and we need both of them? Oh, look around dear monkey. There is soil, water and air. There are non-living things. Water, soil and air, non-living things. But you think a while, can we live without air, water and soil? Can we live without air, water and soil? No, never. All of them praised the owl and went away happily. Understood? How can you identify the living being and non-living things. How can you identify living beings and non-living things? Remember what the owl told. What the owl told. Children, we see variety of things around us. We see variety of things around us. Some are living while others are non-living. Some are living, others are non-living. Let us learn more about living beings and non-living things today. All the animals, birds and plants, living beings. All the animals, birds, plants, living beings. Human beings are living things. We are human beings. Human beings also living beings. Living beings are move, grow, respire, need food and reproduce. Living beings are move, grow, respire, need food and respire. Let us see first point, living beings move. Living beings move. First point, living beings move. Living beings can move on their own. Animals move from one place to another place in search of food and shelter. Animals move from one place to another place, move from in search of food and shelter. Animals such as dogs, cats, human beings walk with the help of their legs. Birds and bees fly with the help of wings. Plants do not move from place to place because do not have to look for a food. Plants do not move from place to place because do not have to look for a food. Green plants make their own food. But non-living things like books, toys and chairs do not move on their own. Do not move their own. They move when someone moves them. They move when someone moves them. Next point, living beings grow. Second point, living beings grow. Plants and animals grow with time. A child grows into an adult. A seed grows into plant. A seed grows into plant. But non-living things like dolls and cricket bats, ball do not grow. Dolls, cricket ball, bat, book, pen do not grow. Next point, living beings respire. Third one, living beings respire. All living things need air to breathe. All living things need air to breathe. We breathe through our nose. We breathe through our nose. Plants breathe through tiny pores called stomata present in their leaves. Plants breathe through tiny pores called stomata present in their leaves. But non-living things do not respire. Are you observed? Non-living things do not respire. Next point, living beings need food. Living beings need food. Living things need food to grow. Living beings need food to grow. Food gives us energy to work and move. Animals eat plants or flesh of other animals as food. Plants do not need to go in search of food. They make their own food. Plants do not need to go in search of food. They make their own food in the presence of air, water and light. In the presence of air, water and light. But non-living things do not need food. But non-living things do not need food. is called reproduction. Living beings give birth to their young ones of the same kind is called reproduction. Animals reproduce by either laying eggs or giving birth to their young ones. A woman gives birth to a baby. A woman gives birth to a baby. While a pigeon and a hen lay eggs from which chicks come out. Which chicks come out. Plants reproduce with the help of seeds. Plants reproduce with the help of seeds. These grow into new plants. These grow into new plants. But non-living things does not reproduce. Are you observed? Non-living things does not reproduce. Next, similarities between plants and animals. Similarities between plants and animals. Both plants and animals give birth to young ones of the same kind. Second, plants and animals need food. Second one, plants and animals need food, you know. Next, third point, both plants and animals have growth. Plants and animals have growth. These are the similarities between plants and animals. Next, difference between plants and animals. Plants cannot move from one place to another place. You know, plants cannot move from one place to another place. But animals can move from one place to another place. Animals move from one place to another place in search of food. Yes, no? Next, plants can prepare their own food. Plants prepare